So Nalini.
Yes, sir.
Nalini from LG.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nalini. We are meeting in Delhi, right?
Yes,
In
sir.
Connaught Place. You authored a book with you co-authored a book
Yes, sir.
on
Brand management.
brand management
Yes.
with Professor Dr. Ramki.
Ram.
See, I got a copy, and so you happen to be the first student
Yes, sir.
to write a book on a critical subject in management.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so we all are proud of you. We want to congratulate you on the same.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
I am sir so happy because this was what had started during the college only. So Ramki sir used to teach us in first semester. In second semester, he used to teach us brand management. So initially we were like a bunch of 4 or 5 students, and obviously the subject had its charm, and we were like so. We wanted to learn so much more about it. So we used to go to him. We used to ask him what should we read about it. How do we develop more and more learning on the subject? So he gave us a list of books, and that is how he started. And then probably all of them somehow were not there, and I was the one persistent to learn more and more, and I pestered him so much that it ended up there. And I would say all the students that the campus is the best opportunity to learn. All those 2 years, sirs, whatever opportunities that you provided, all the faculty has been A class. All of them have lots and lots to deliver to you, and there are so many books in the libraries. I'm not even sure if we can read all of them, but we should still try, go back to them. The newspapers that we get every day in the morning is there are so many opportunities to learn, and I would want that all the students do avail of the opportunity and make out the best.
Now, when you see the branding is an attractive area, so everybody wants to
sir.
be.
Yes, sir.
What you have to say about your branding activity? You are in one of the best companies, best Korean company, and our favorite company, LG.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me, when you say, see, my point of view is, you are just 2 years old.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you are in the branding.
Yes, sir.
So that means what?
So branding, if you talk about branding in LG, what we do is that the brand is.
What do you do?
So
That's
what
it.
I okay.
Yeah.
So what I do in LG in brand management is I take care of the CRM part. So CRM is the customer relationship management, and here we take care of the call center that is there, all the consumer engagement and all the consumer interaction at every point in the company. It could be a point of sale from where the customer purchases an element, or probably it could be a customer contact when he calls us at our call center. So all that is taken care by me. It is not just regarding advertising or meeting stars. It is about building the brand and taking care of that consumer journey and making sure that he is aware of whatever promotions are happening in the company.
How many hours you work?
Sir, 6 o'clock I get up, and there are times when I have to sleep till 3 if the assignments and the reports are not made, but normally it's around 12 o'clock till night.
Morning.
6 o'clock till evening 12 o'clock is general my schedule, and all the time, if the traveling time I'm on phone, and when I come back I'm on computer again.
Are you enjoying this?
Sir, at times when there are only peaks of this, that when there are assignments to do, there are deadlines to meet, so you have to have that in you that you are able to complete that work. And once that is done, the next day when you are able to present it to your boss, and he is also like, okay, good. So recently I was given the best functional employee, and I was awarded by MD for that.
Okay.
It was
So very nice, very nice. What is your basic qualification? Graduation?
Sir, I have done BSc Computer Applications.
BSc Computer Application.
Yes, sir.
So now, how do you relate this BSc Computer Application to your management now? To your job now?
Sir, I think management is not about what I have done in graduation. It's more about what I learned in the 2 years when I was in Pune. So all that, how I used to manage that time, and after the classes you have to do assignments, you have to complete work, you have to also study what you have been taught. So more or less I relate more with the MBA than what I have done in computers. Computers only help me with the basics when I am working and I know that I have to do this data integration from one system to the other or some other work on the computer, because we are going digital and even CRM is going certain digital way. So that only helps me when I'm working on the digital platform only.
Hey, Nalini, I am so happy. You passed out in 2010.
Yes, sir.
I can see your confidence. I can see. You are on the growth track now. You have written one book.
Yes, sir.
Go author one book. Now, what is the next?
So,
See, on the one hand, you are not time. Okay.
yes, sir.
On the one hand, you are not time. You yourself said 12 to 8, 10, 11, 12. This is life.
Yes.
I can understand. You are in the first year, to second year, third year now.
Yes, sir.
So you have to learn the job.
Yes, sir.
But now, when did you get time to write the book?
So,
When did you get the time to write the book?
sir, I started writing the book in second year of college, and since so initially they used to be holidays. We used to get one day off, and then at times when probably most of my friends would go out and party and all, so I would probably sit back and stay, because my roommates also in Delhi, also my roommates used to tell me that you are very boring all the time. You're on your laptop only, you are reading and but now finally it was like, probably I did not spend that much time. I did party, I did go out. There were parties of New Year in college also. But it was like more or less, I used to try utilizing my time for the book and reading more and more about the brand subject. And finally, we got the book in hand.
Congratulations. Yeah,
Thank you.
it is a very great initiative. We plan to release this book in the next convocation ceremony of
Thank you.
BAMM.
Thank you.
At the hands of one of the greatest corporate leaders of this country.
Thank you, sir.
Best wishes for you.
Thank you, sir.